Fucking rubber tussie. I don't know how this shit got me lazy right now, yeah. Can't do Percocets to my leg. I'm trying to give it up, yeah, right, baby, yeah, right, yeah. Bring it over to my plate, give it like, baby, yeah. So I know you, yeah. Bring it over to my plate.
Dump that shit, baby girl.
Watch my shit get better. Watch my shit get better.
Fucking rubber to my plate. To my plate. Your body love it.
You wanna see me throw it back to me, 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 back to me.
Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do.
Now watch my shit get better.
Your body love it.
Now watch my shit get better.
Bring it over to my plate. You don't know what you do.
Now watch my shit get better.
Your body love it.
Now watch my shit get better.
Dump your shit.
Now watch my shit get, watch my shit get, now watch my shit get, watch my shit get, now watch my shit get, watch my shit get, now watch my shit get, watch my shit get, watch my shit get bad, get bad, 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 bad, get bad.
Todd, can you play that again?
Stop playing with him, right?
In the party, he just wanna romp like damn, no romp like damn, no romp.
Here we
Just
go.
wanna romp like damn, no romp like damn, romp like damn. She in her mood, like damn, no romp like damn, romp like damn, no romp. Just wanna romp like damn, no romp like damn, like damn. She in her mood. Big boobs in the bust, bust it, bust in the bust, bust it, bust in the bust. She a baddie, she know she a 10. Big boobs in the bust, bust it, bust in the bust, bust it, bust in the bust. In the party, he just wanna romp, no romp, no romp, 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 romp, no romp, no romp. I tried dipping, he begged me to stay. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna buy. And I just wanna damn. Babe, I'm not staying, I just wanna buy.
Todd, can you play that again?
Big boobs in the bust in her mood. Bust it, bust in the bust in her mood. Bust it, bust in the bust in her mood. Big boobs in the bust, they plump. Bust it plump. Bust it plump. She a baddie, she bust it plump. Like damn, she in her mood. Bust it plump. Bust it plump. She a baddie, she bust it plump. She a baddie with her baddie friend.
Get it sexy. Get it sexy.
Todd, can you play that again?
Get it sexy. Super fast. Me good, I'm doing super fast. Super fast. Why you not super fast? 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 Super fast. Doing 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 super fast.
Slap that dope.
I told I like you, that bitch, I do it. All of them around, you scared to do. I'm not. Long as you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. My bitch singing, doing. I ain't your body. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose.
Love your shit.
that shit, baby girl.
See if you ain't here.
Alright, so tell me how this works. So you're just setting yourself up for like some pictures and videos?
Yeah, so I video myself with this, with my tripod, and then I also am building a YouTube channel, so that's what this camera is for.
Okay, and so it's just like longer format?
Yeah.
And higher quality, I guess?
Yeah. Because it's, like most of my videos be about maybe like 20-30 minutes on YouTube.
Oh, wow.
But I'm still growing on YouTube. My strongest platform is Instagram. That's pretty much where my main community is. But in terms of like monetization, YouTube pays the big bucks. But it just takes a while to kind of build up. Yeah. So while I'm already recording, I just literally just leave it here and just record like what I'm doing. Like when I go out to like different places.
And then you just edit it down. Yeah, so like this is recorded, but you're just gonna say, hey.
Oh yeah. So I use like for the YouTube videos, I use Final Cut Pro. I mean, I can technically use it for my short form content, but I like editing everything for like Instagram and TikTok on my phone. So I use CapCut on my phone to like work to edit content. So that's pretty much what this is. It's just I got two different cameras for two different platforms.
Yeah, fair enough. That's awesome. Cool, thanks for sharing.
You're welcome. Alright, so let's figure out which one is which. How do we go back?
So it will say, if you look here.
Where? Okay, so this is the one.
That's one, and then this is two.
So this is you, and then this is me. Alright, so we can do a versus. Oh. See, you're ready. Alright, what's the Grand Prix? Do a battle. I don't know. I need to go back. Pick the players. Okay, there we go.
I don't know. I mean, like, you know, if I like, I don't know if I really watch anime.
Alright, here you go.
DMs left and right. Everybody thought that the picture that he was taking of me was AI. Yeah. I'm like, no, bro, it's that good. Like, it looks
On a
good.
roll, Ramona.
He said Scorpio and everything else. Oh,
Okay, Ramona. That was so bad. I have no idea what I was doing.
Bruh. Oh, yeah. Wow. Yeah, so he hit me up at the right time. I know you guys. These are people that we need to meet.
Come here. I should have picked a better person. Yeah, this is my game right here.
Oh, really?
Alright, you want to do a new character?
Oh, really? Oh, yeah. You see it? You're like 6 or 6 feet. Oh, yeah. Like, you know, I'm up to your backyard. So I did something like that. Oh, you do that?
That's good. Nobody else?
I've never got a video. Yeah, he's really good. Yeah, we're about to know.